Hey there. We all know that content is the lifeblood of any online business. Having your own courses, ebooks, PDF guides, or even just regular articles on the web is the fastest way to internet success. Most importantly, people who are selling content, info products, or even articles, services to other people are making an absolute killing right now. Just take a look at this article. Content marketing is expected to be a $400 billion industry, and marketers who are able to sell their own products stand to make tens of thousands of dollars every month. The problem is, products are expensive to create, and writing content yourself takes forever. And it's all because you need a lot of knowledge to be able to create useful content or products that people want, and then to send traffic to them and convert into sales. Beginner and expert marketers alike have a hard time cracking the secret content code. Today, we're changing all of that from the ground up by offering a true all-in-one cost-effective solution that creates fully fledged info products and articles with the push of a button and then sends you waves of red-hot targeted traffic. The best part? It's 100% newbie-friendly. It automates everything with just one click. It creates exactly the sort of content that online and offline businesses are ready to pay hand over fist to get. My Content Creator Pro does all the work for you, getting easy sales, free guaranteed traffic, and a passive income stream for years to come, all inside one simple-to-use software platform that comes with 24/7 premium support and all the training you need. So you can finally say goodbye to paying for content, wasting your time, wasting your money trying to figure out traffic by yourself. My Content Creator Pro takes care of everything, and it even gives you commercial rights so you can start selling the article's content or PDF ebooks created on places like Fiverr. How cool is that? The bottom line is this: with My Content Creator Pro, you're in full control. You can finally start your own profitable business by creating content for yourself or by selling it to other people. Better yet, why not do both? You can now finally get the results you've always wanted without wasting your money, all inside one marketing-friendly interface. To take action now, click the Buy button below and claim your piece of the $400+ billion content marketing field. Welcome to the future of internet marketing. Welcome to My Content Creator Pro.